Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Chris Amani, CEO of Terraform Labs, has announced that the firm will cease operations following a $14.47 billion settlement with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The company plans to sell key projects within the Terra ecosystem and give the community control of the Terra blockchain. US producer prices unexpectedly fell in May amid lower energy costs, another indication that inflation was subsiding after surging in the first quarter. The producer price index for final demand dropped 0.2% last month, after advancing by an unrevised 0.5% in April. Oil prices rose slightly in up and down trade, pressured by rising US crude and fuel supplies and expectations of a delayed start to Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, but supported by US economic data showing an easing labor market and slowing inflation.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Export Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT, Finland's Consumer Price Index at 5 GMT, the UK's consumer inflation expectations at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.